Hey everyone, it's Ruben and
Michael
from Bullion Now. What are we doing here, Michael?
That's a great question, because normally we do this in the live stream, but we're changing it around today.
Yeah.
We're going to release this now onto the web. So if you go to the link down below, you're going to be able to buy this at a bargain price. We better find out what this is.
Yeah, that's actually not just the box. Most of our viewers tend to be interested in a little bit more of the metal stuff than the plastic stuff.
So, dum dum dum.
Hey!
Cover on it didn't work as well as I hoped. So we are specialing off, whatever that word is, some 10-ounce Yales. Now, these are a new release. These are a 2023 release, part of the Tudor Beast series. So it's going to be one of those few coins, 2023, with the Queen's effigy on the back. It is produced by the Royal Mint. They are encapsulated. They are a 10-ounce silver coin and 4 nines. We're going to be selling them for $85 above spot price. So it works out to be about $8.50 an ounce over spot, which for a coin is a screaming bargain. So we only have a very limited number. It's a bit over 100, about 120 of them. They will be available until stocks last, which I suggest will not be very long at all. Possibly if you've watched this far into the video, you may have already missed out on the special. So click down below, go straight to it, order yourself one or a few. Don't buy them all in one hit, leave some for other people, but we won't actually limit these to one per customer.
Got to share the love.
Yeah, got to share the love a little bit. So grab a few for yourself and yeah, while stocks last.